welcome to my channel and welcome to today's video. In today's video we are going to be making a facial mask. A facial mask that's going to help your skin to look younger and fresher and naturally glowing skin. This mask also contains skin tightening properties that will have to tighten and firm the skin. You want to have your skin looking younger. You want that healthy glow to the skin. Then here is your mask. So let's get in my kitchen. We're going to whip it up, and I'm also going to share some tips on how to get the best result from using this mask on the skin. Before I jump in the kitchen, however, if you have not yet subscribed to the channel, look below. You're going to see the word subscribe. Just click on it and you will be subscribed. Also, the little bell icon at the side, if you click on that and turn on post notification on your phone from YouTube, you will get a notification as soon as I post a video. Now let's get in the kitchen. Don't forget to subscribe and let's start making this remedy. To make our remedy, I'm going to be using a tea bag, and this tea bag is filled with black tea. Black tea, just like green tea, is rich in antioxidant of vitamin C and vitamin E. Antioxidant that will help to reduce wrinkles and fine lines on the skin. Antioxidant that will help to boost the collagen production in the skin. To prepare the black tea, I'm going to pour one bag in a small bowl. Now, black tea is very, very popular, very common, and it is what most people just call tea. Now I'm going to move on to my next ingredient, which is rice. Today I'm using white rice. Help to hydrate the skin, help to nourish the skin. It has been used for centuries on the skin to remove pigmentation, lift, tighten, and firm the skin. I'm going to be blending the rice to a powder, and take a look. Here I have the blended rice. Finely blend to a powder. I'm going to use 1 tablespoon of the blended rice. Add this to the bowl with the black tea. Next, I'm moving on to my third ingredient, and this is baking soda. Baking soda is also known as sodium bicarbonate or bicarbonate of soda. Baking soda can help to exfoliate the skin, get rid of dead skin cells on the surface of the skin. It will also help to clear those pores out and also help to get rid of excess oil and grease on the skin. So I'm going to be using 1 teaspoon of the baking soda. Pour this in this bowl with the black tea and the rice, and now I'm going to mix all the dry ingredients together. I am mixing rice, black tea, and baking soda. Make sure to get rid of any lumps that might be in the rice or the baking soda. So mix and mix well. I like to take a spoon, the back of the spoon, to crush this to get rid of any lumps. You can also choose to add all of this to the blender and blend to a powder. Now take a look. This is your mixture. Now once this is done, you can choose to make this and store in your refrigerator in a Ziploc or bag for about 6 months or so. Now let's reach for my oil, and my oil of choice today is some coconut oil. Coconut oil will help to lock the moisture in the skin, help to hydrate the skin, and the way we're using it today is to help to exfoliate the skin without drying out the oils in the skin. So I am going to be using a tablespoon of the coconut oil. I'm going to add this to the bowl along with the rice, black tea, and baking soda. Now if your coconut oil is liquefied, go ahead and add 1 tablespoon, just like we're adding 1 tablespoon here. And now we are going to slowly work this in. Do not be too quick to add any more oil. Simply blend this oil in and blend well. Now, if you do not have coconut oil for this recipe, you can use some olive oil. You can also use some grapeseed oil, especially if you have oily skin. Now, take a look, guys. This is what it's going to look like once we completely blend it in with the rest of the ingredient. What you're actually doing is warming that coconut oil to make it spreadable. Mix and mix well. Now, after mixing this, I personally like to set it aside to infuse. Therefore, I'll set it aside for about an hour or two. Now, once this is done, this is going to look even more creamier, and take a look at this up close. This you're going to be using to exfoliate your skin. You do not want it to be too oily, nor do you want it to be too dry. So take this and go ahead and apply it on your face, your neck, and your décolleté. Exfoliate your skin for about a minute or two. Once this is done, you're going to rinse off, preferably with some cold water. Rinse off, pat dry the skin, and reveal soft, firm, clear, bright, radiant, natural, glowing skin. Continue to use this at least 2 to 3 times per week for best results.
And there you have it. Quick, easy, simple, just 3 ingredients. 3 ingredients can help your skin to look better, younger, fresher, and also give you that radiant glow to the skin. Whip it up, guys, and guess what do you do when you whip it up? You use it up, and then you come back and drop a comment under our video to tell us how well you enjoy using this on your skin. And don't forget to share this on your social media page.